Howdy folks, welcome back. Today I am going to do a battery test of the new EACHINE E59 drone. So for our battery test, of course, I'm going to make sure the E59 is fully charged. So we shall place it onto the charging port, and as you can see, light should go off in a couple of seconds, and when it does, we shall go for our flight. Okay, time travel, here I come. So while we're waiting, got a couple of questions. Does this 2.4 gig remote unit work with these other pocket drones, which are pretty much the same makeup as the EACHINE? To answer your question in a nutshell, no, they don't. It doesn't. These don't work with this. So you can put it on. It appears to do something when you pair it. However, you got to make flight, and yeah, nothing happens. I've tried a few different combinations. See, it looks like it locks in, the lights stop flashing, but you go to take off and crickets. So no good, which is a pity, because it would have been good to use this as a generic remote unit to control these drones with. And we'll try the second one here. So the light flashes, stops flashing, but we have nothing. Nothing works at all, so that's a pity, but not to worry. These both have cameras. This one, of course, doesn't have a camera. It has 3 spotlights at the front, the E59, so I thought it had a camera, so oh, my mistake. If you have a look at my last video, you'll see what I'm talking about. So the light's out on our charger. Awesome, so she's fully charged up. We're going to go out and set the stopwatch, and we're going to see how long the EACHINE E59 will stay in the air for. Okay, ready to set the stopwatch, which is somewhere down there, and off we go. I'm going to keep it down low. A little bit of wind shouldn't matter me too much. Famous last words. So I'm hoping to get about 5 minutes out of this drone. Maybe less, maybe more. The HGLRC doesn't last for too long. Oh, look at that wind. This drone really hates the wind. I think I've mentioned that a couple of times. Pretty responsive drone too, this one. So I'll show you a bit later on. We're going to keep it on number 1 setting. See how twitchy it is. It's really hard to get it just to float. If there's no wind, it floats. Hovers, should I say, really well. If there's a bit of wind. Oh, lucky, it nearly blows into you. Oh, I'm fighting with it now. This is trouble. This could not end well. I'm not going to do too much here, because I actually really want to see how long it lasts for. So, in the interest of a fair battery assessment, I'm not going to mess around too much and spoil it, i.e. crash. Pretty responsive on the throttle. You can drop it down the ground and it comes straight back up again. Like a little mini racing drone. Oh, we nearly got cleaned up by a couple of birds then. That would have been pretty cool. Oh, the wind's blowing us away again. Oh, look at that wind. Holy moly. Okay, let's get down low. Let's hide. Let's hide. down close to the bottom, close to the ground. Crikey blimey. Sorry it can't be calm for you guys today for this test, but we get what we get, don't we, with the weather. We're looking at what, 4 minutes at the moment, maybe 3 minutes. If it stops blowing, I'll just whack a quick flip out for you. Here we go. A cheeky frontward flip. Oh no, here we go. To be quick. Have to be quick. Here we go. And a right side flip. Good. And left side flip. Great. Finally a back flip. Nice. So I think I mentioned in my past video, when those LEDs start flashing at the back there, you can't do any more flips or anything. This drone does have a return to home button, which I'm not going to press at the moment. I'll tell you right now, it'll just fly off. Well, I think by home they mean China, because every time I press return to home it just disappears into the sunset. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I haven't bothered investigating it yet either. Well, I think we could be losing a bit of power now. I've kept it on 1, setting number 1. Done 4 flips, and whatever the stopwatch says is how we're going. As I said, this battery's only been charged from new, or I'd say 3 times, say 4 times to be safe, so it's pretty well a brand new drone. And I don't think the light's flashing yet. No. This wind's really giving me grief. Trying really hard not to crash into the bushes. No, we're still going pretty strong here. Obviously I'm not going to do my height and range test at the moment. There we have it, some flashing lights, so in about 5 seconds it's going to drop to the ground. See if we can keep it above the helipad. Get ready to stop the clock. Any second now. This runs out of power, she just falls down, and stop the clock. Okay folks, there you have it. A real life battery longevity test. See how long the E59 flies for. Looks like I've got a bit of an LED issue here. One seems to be out, I'll have a look at that shortly. Not to worry, still flies well. Interesting to see what the time is. I can't tell you because I haven't completed the editing process, etc. So yeah, I'm thinking it's probably around 5 minutes. But really good fun little drone. Tomorrow I'm going to get out. It's not going to be windy tomorrow. I'm going to get out and do a range test and a height test, and just show you guys how fast this thing is. It's almost got launch control. She just takes off a million miles an hour. So let's go back into the workshop, charge it up again, ready for the next flight.